Configuring individual data storage system. Let's understand what are the parameters which you need to choose it, or you need to look at when you are configuring or planning to configure your storage solutions. Consider a case you are storing all those files which are uploaded, or all those data in you are dumping it into CSV format and uploading that into the cloud storage, right, for further processing. Consider or take that example. Um, when you know that you are not going to use the data after say 4 weeks or 8 weeks, right, as a regularly, because your analytics is already run, your machine learning algorithm is already done for that particular data, and then you got analytics whatever you want to have it, right. Next thing is you need to make sure that you are optimizing your cost. So in that case, what you can do is you can move your data from standard storage class to nearline storage class, and from nearline to cold line, based on your policy, based on understanding your requirement for this particular kind of data. Probably once you back up the data into cold line or nearline, you will not look at the data at all. If at all it is required, then you can say take the data, yearly data, and then do a massaging. But if you look at 9 terabytes per day data, probably you don't want to do that, right. So those level of policies you need to implement it. For BigQuery data, you need to make sure that when you are storing the data inside your databases, you apply a lifecycle policy there as well. So you can keep the data for say 2 months, and then after 2 months the data should be deleted automatically, because you can configure that, and you need to make sure that you understand the configuration and you apply those policies in the configuration when you are the writing individual configuration for the storage systems. So there are data retention policy, data lifecycle policy, data growth management, how you are taking the data off when it is not required, how you are planning for a network, because if you are looking at huge data transfer, then you need to make sure that you have enough bandwidth of network. Again, it is you are using the Google Cloud Platform network, but you need to make sure that when you are transferring data from GCP to your own on-premises, you have enough bandwidth to take the data, because you are processing the data inside your own data center as well.